Hi guys, Sugar Snowflake and welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show you a lot of things about Animal Jam and play more games that you suggest in the comments. What and I can do whatever you want in Animal Jam or in other games that you want me to do and put them down in the comments. So I'm gonna show you all the lands if you're new to the game. Sorry about the loading. My computer is a little slow. Here is Crystal Sands. And here's Crystal Sands. And it's all decorated up for the Jamala Days. The Jamala Days is the holiday season, if you didn't know. So, if you want me to buddy someone, I'm going to do it like right now. And it's kind of glitching. And I hope they accept. And they accept it really fast. So, and I'm going to show you a different land. And I'm sorry if I can't show you the underwater land. First of all, I don't have an underwater animal, so I'm sorry about that. Here is Cora Canyons. It's another land, and for the Jamala Day seasons, if you're not a member, you can have a chat history that's right here, and non-members can make art for this Jamala Day season that I can't really open. So, next place. Oh, that was weird. So, and here, I'm going to give you a little backstory about this place. The last temple of Zios. So, Zios was a god, but Animal Jam doesn't call him a god. But, the phantoms, kind of destroyed him, and nobody really knows what was behind him. So, and this is the lost temple of Zios. So, what is this person saying? Okay, that person's saying a weird question, but I don't know. And the next place, if you're a role player, this is the place you've got to go. Here's another backstory. This place used to be called just Terapia, not Terapia Forest, and it's called Terapia Forest. And it's the place where all role players role play. And you can play a game like Pedal Bugs, and there's a shop. So, and next place, it's really cold here. It's called Mount Severe. You'll understand why it's cold. But I want to show you something cool. Both non-members and members can have hot chocolate, and if the game is absolute free, unless if you want to pay some money, you can get membership. Wait. And here are my buddies. Those are my buddies. So, and here's Appendale or Upondale. You can call it either one, I think. Play wild. So, and here. You could get all muddy. Even though there's a fact that flying animals can even get dirty, but they can even fly up above it. And that's Appendale. I'm gonna do the loudest place in the whole Jamala. And here's Kambara Outback. It's like sort of like the open oceans. Nobody usually goes there. But in this video, on my channel, this is the place I'm gonna call Peace and Quiet. And the Loudest Place, Jamala Township. Play wild. That's their catchphrase, play wild. But do you want to see the craziest Jamala Township? Well, I'm going to bring you the craziest Jamala Township in the world of Jamala Townships. It's this place called Alden. See, it's one of those full places. But sorry, I must have gone somewhere else. Oh, I'm in one of the quietest places. But this is not Alden. One little bit. This place is called, sorry, my mouse is Burke. That's a weird name, but it's one of those townships. Now,
end it soon.
What?
I'll cut this part of the video. End it soon-ish.
And it's loading. It's like and let's see if it's the craziest place is here. Oh, here is the craziest place. Oh my god. Sorry, I had to exit out real quick. Because it's like glitching, like crazy. And it's loading. It's loading for a while. And let's see if it is. Oh my. Wait, it's Congo. Well, I'm sorry, I have to show you Alden in another video. I'm sorry. It's Congo. But I'm gonna show you something called a party in Animal Jam. Then I'm gonna show you something called an adventure. If you're new to the game, don't worry. Oh, and if you sorry. Okay, what? I hope there's no animal only party because what party is on? I'm so. Oh my gosh. It's always glitching my computer. I'm sorry if it's really glitching. I have to exit. Oh, Jamala Day Jam. Ooh, this is the Jamala Day party that everyone likes it. And it's glitching again. Oh, but here are games that you can play, and my favorite is Best Dress. Okay, so I can't show you parties in this video just because it's glitching. Everything's glitching. Oh, it's not anymore. So I'm going to show you this for 20 seconds. And then I'm going to show you what something's called a phantom if you're new to the game. If you aren't new to the game, then it's okay because you might forget about some of these stuff. Awesome. This is awesome. Now I'm going to show you okay. I'm going to show you something. I'll show you an adventure in the next video. See ya. Sugar Snowflake here. Bye.